Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to edit the text in your portfolio. We'll practice together on the welcome page, which is what you're seeing on my screen now. Before we begin, I want to check one thing with you. Please look up in the upper left-hand corner of your portfolio page. You want to make sure your name is showing here before Emra Portfolio, like my name is here, Gina Mick Emra Portfolio. If you don't see your name here, please pause and watch the video how to make a copy of the portfolio template first, and then come back to this video. Okay, let's get started. You'll notice that many words on this page are inside brackets, like here around library name. Anywhere you see brackets, that's placeholder text waiting to be replaced with information about you, your school, and your library. And your goal is to replace all of these bracketed items throughout your page. So we're going to start at the very top with the first brackets, which are right here, template your name. To replace that, you'll click and drag starting behind the bracket all the way to the front where it says template to highlight it. And then you'll type in your own name here. And it's as easy as that. The first bracket's been replaced, so you have your name here. The next bracket we see is this big title where it says library name, and we'll do it the same way. You click on your mouse and drag and highlight all of this, library name and the brackets, and you're going to type in the name of your library here. It will probably be the name of your school and then the word library after it. Okay, we're going to keep doing that throughout the page. So we're going to move down to the next section where it says About Me. It's here, it says, hello, my name is, the brackets are around name. So I'm going to click and drag around name in the brackets, and I'm going to add in my own name. You'll add in yours. The next part says, add a brief personal introduction and a photo to the left. This part over here, this box, is where you'll be adding a photo. I'll show you how to do that in the next video. For now, we're just going to focus on changing the words. So I'm going to highlight this bracket and all these words, and I'm going to replace it with a little bit of information about me. This is short. For now, I'm just going to leave it like this. I can always come back later and add more information or change anything I don't like. So whatever you have here is not final. You can always change it. I'll leave it like this for now. The next section is My School. Here you'll add in probably the name of your school and a little bit about it in this bracket, but I want to show you this part where it says School Website Link. Some of you will have a school website that you can link here, and if you don't have a school website, that's okay. You can just delete all of this text, and the way you would do that is you'll click and drag over it and just click backspace or delete, and that gets rid of the text. You don't have to have a school website here, but if your school has one, you might want to add it. And my school does have a website, so I'll show you how to add in a link. First, we need this text back, and so we can come up here to the very top of your portfolio to these two arrows. This one that points to the left undoes whatever action you just completed, and so I'm going to click on that and it will bring back the text that I deleted. So this is the undo action button. So down here this text is back and I want to add a link in, but I want to get rid of the brackets because remember we're getting rid of all the brackets on the page. So I'm going to highlight it and just delete that using the delete key on my keyboard, and then I'm going to highlight the words because I'm going to make the link be on these words. Up here is a toolbar, and from this toolbar I'm going to click on this icon, which is the insert link button. So when I click on that, it opens up a place for me to type the name of my website, the web address. And once you've typed in the web address, you click apply and it adds the link to those words. So that's a way to add the link to your website. So from there, all you need to do is keep going through all of the spots where it has bracketed text. You're going to highlight them and then add in your own information. So a little about your library, maybe something you like in your library, and a quote, and you'll be done with your welcome page. It's as easy as that. And you don't have to click save anywhere. Your portfolio site will automatically save everything. Later, I'll show you how to publish the site so that other people can view what you've added, but for right now, everything is saved just as is. And so that's it. That's how you edit the text in your portfolio. In the next video, I'll show you how to add in pictures, and I will see you there.